All things on social media. If you like this video, hit the like button. You want to see more, hit subscribe. Peace out. Okay, YouTube, what are we doing today? Today we're going to be making my daughter a boombox cooler so she can take ice waters. Yes, ice waters to her college football games. This year she is a student UGA. I will be installing 6.5-inch PAL Marine speakers with a Marine amp. I've got a battery. All this can be found on Amazon, by the way. I got a battery I found on Amazon. I am going to be hooking up a external lighted power switch, which is here complete. I'm gonna have to do some adaptations on this. I'm gonna put a power switch here on our charging port for my battery on the back side of this so she can charge it. I'm gonna wire all this stuff together, and I'm gonna also install this volume knob and auxiliary port for her. So I got a bunch of fabrication to do, and this is gonna be fun. Reason I bought this cooler, I did a lot of research online. This is the, what is the name of this? Give me 1 second. It's available at Walmart, and it is a Yeti knockoff, because if I'm gonna destroy something, I don't want to destroy an expensive Yeti. Ozark. So the reason I'm getting this is see the thickness of the top? I want her to still be able to use the cooler. So I am buying this, so I've got shallow depth marine speakers, and all the components should fit based on the measurements that I looked at inside of here, and leave enough of a gap. We'll have to use some double back tape and other stuff to get it to stick in the places where we want to. But without further ado, let's get started on this, and hopefully we don't make that much of a mess. All right, well, the sun came out. I was hoping for good cloudy weather, but we got a couple trees right over here, should block it out of our view in just a minute. I want to give everybody a bird's eye view of what we're working on. Let me show you what we got here. All right, everybody saw I'm soldering up some stuff, getting everything in order here. The big thing is getting this cleaned out so all the pieces parts will fit in here. And I'll do some test fit in just a minute. I've got my, my one hole back here. I just wanted to get the power charger and everything set up and through there so I can get some of those wires started to get situated. I think you probably saw I put my speaker wires on. My speakers, I've got them soldered in. These are lighted, so I'm going to get the lights set up on here. We'll focus on next the power pack and the electrical on here. I've got a switch I'm going to install in the center of this. I'm going to go ahead and get that in just a second and start getting all my cabling and everything put together. I have to solder everything inside of here and then push it back up in. So I'm just getting it all cleaned out. And one cool thing is afterwards, I can probably go back in and put some spray foam back in around all of this because it's not coming out, and provide some good insulation. So without further ado, here we go. Sometimes electronics get me. So we have our switch. We turn our switch on. You will see our amplifier power up. It's looking for a Bluetooth source. Our lights are on our speakers. I don't have my speakers plugged in yet. I'll plug them in and give them a test run in just a second. I'm sure we'll have some more depth. We add these into the, I hope, into the cooler. Let's try something, hold on. Much better. So we got our volume control in here. I know they'll add some depth when they get into the they'll have some depth when they have the boom of the bottom of that. Test run works. Bluetooth. Charging port. Auxiliary port. Bluetooth. Power switch. Illuminating. Happy birthday, Julia.